Let's quickly see how to change G profile for these shutters. Go to styles, go for door style and change it. And here you have your filter system. Look for edge profile. Now let's change the handle style for this. You have all of these profile items. Further, you can go with brands. That's it, we've changed it to G profile. Let's take a quick recap. You're going to have to select the cabinet, open the styles, look for door style, and change your door style as edge profile. From there, you'll be able to change the handle type as well. Look for G profile and apply it. Now repeat the same thing for the other cabinets.